Kia ora koutou, ngā mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa Pāoho.
The voice of Rotorua Primary School. Our prefects are away on camp this week, so you will be your host for today's podcast. My name's Iverson.
And I'm Bluebell, and we're from
Pukaki 13. Last week, our kura was invited to the
Rotorua Lakes Council
for a
pohiri
to welcome the new and re-elected council members, including our mayor,
Mayor Tapsell. It was such an honour to be a part of this special event representing Rotorua Primary and showing manaakitanga and pride in our community.
After the pohiri, we even got the chance to
interview Mayor Tanya Tapsell,
who spoke about leadership, community and the future of Rotorua.
Kia ora, Mayor Tapsell, and thank you for taking a moment to kōrero with us today.
You're welcome. Yeah, great to be interviewed by you. Thank you for joining me in my mayor's office.
What does it mean for you to get re-elected as mayor?
Oh, it's so special, eh? Like, this is now my 13th year that I've been in council. So I had 9 years on council, and then this is my second term as the Mayor of Rotorua. But it's really special because you only get this job if the people of Rotorua vote for you. And so you're really humbled to have their support.
There's a strong sense of whanaungatanga and community here in Rotorua. What are some goals for the city and its people over the next few years?
Yeah, thank you. And you're right, whanaungatanga means a lot to us, but also manaakitanga, looking after others. And so sometimes it is a bit of a challenge, some of the problems or the issues we have to fix, but we also get to have some really exciting ideas too, like when we opened up the new aquatic centre and also did the lakefront playground. And soon we will be opening up the museum. Well, not soon, in like 2 years, but that's going to be probably the biggest project for us on council.
Our kura teaches values like whanaungatanga, manaakitanga and kaitiakitanga. How do those same values guide you in your role as mayor?
Oh yeah, no, it's everything, hey, and I think that's why I'm so fortunate to come from Rotorua and such a great community and family that taught us those values. So as a leader, as a mayor, when I make decisions, it's not just about what do I want or what's best for me. It's not about that at all. It's actually about what's best for the people that I represent, and that means like everyone, of young or old, Māori, non-Māori, everyone. But I am really honoured to be the first Māori wahine mayor of Rotorua as well. So love getting to the kura and meeting our tamariki and hearing their aspirations as well.
Do you have a message for our tamariki, the next generation of leaders here in Rotorua?
Yes. Actually, what's really cool is Rotorua Primary was my very first school. So I went to Pukeroa Urowhata Kohanga and then Rotorua Primary, but then we moved away for a little bit, unfortunately, and so I finished off at Kaua Point. But my message to you all would be to just dream really big, like nothing's impossible. And so when I was at school, that's when I was like, it's like so weird that we've never had a Māori Prime Minister. And then that's actually what got me into politics, because I was like, instead of just thinking, there hasn't been one, which means, maybe we can't do that, it was like, let's make this happen. And so it's been really cool being on council, and I firmly believe that probably the first Māori Prime Minister is already around. And when I go to see the schools and I see the young leaders, I feel very confident in that.
Mr. Fata still wants to know if you're going to do cattle with him.
Yes, no, I would really like to. So we have a sister city with a place called Beppu in Japan, and it's so crazy because they have like geothermal as well. And so when I went there for the first time and I took my little baby, and it was like I was in Ohinemotu, like with the geothermal and the ground and everything. So I would definitely be keen to go back. And it's been cool helping other students here to go over there for exchanges, and even recently rugby. We took Rotorua rugby team over to play there too.
Ngā mihi nui ki a koe, Mayor Tapsell. We wish you all the best for your mahi ahead, and thank you for welcoming us into your space today.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you for the interview. Ngā mihi nui ki a koe hoki.
Ngā mihi. Ngā mihi nui Mayor Tapsell for taking the time to kōrero with us and the council for
welcoming our kura into their space. Over the weekend, a group of our amazing tamariki took the stage at the
Pacifica celebration
at the
Village Green. They performed with pride and represented Rotorua Primary beautifully with support and guidance of
Mato Avi
and
Fire Cinnamon.
And today we're here at Pacifica.
What have you enjoyed the most about practicing Pacifica?
Dancing, to dance, and to learn more moves about the culture.
Ka pai ko mitu te tui nai nei ki hea ngā mahi Harley?
Hi. Quite young,
But hea ngā mahi, and what did you like about standing on stage?
seeing the crowd. Yeah.
Seeing the crowd, did you have fun?
Try, but yeah, fun.
Ka pai. Ko hea ngā mahi, ko mitu Pacifica rua mano rua tikai marima.
Karawe team, an awesome celebration for culture and community.
And such a great turnout from whānau too.
To wrap things up, we celebrated
Halloween
at school
last
week with the
spooky dress parade. And there was also a little prank that had everyone talking.
Fire Jasmine
Dressed up as a student and sat quietly in
Fire Cheryl's.
class to see how long it would take for her to notice.
Let's check it out.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I saw your face and I was like, that kid looks like Jazz. You fellas have got too much time on your hands.
What a week!
From leadership and performances to creativity and fun. A big mihi to everyone who featured in this week's broadcast, and to all of you for watching and supporting our kura.
Don't forget to like
Subscribe
and share our channel so more of our whānau and community can stay connected with everything happening here at
Rotorua Primary.
Mori ora, kia pai tōna, koutou Wiki.
We'll see you next time on Pukeroa Pāoho.
That's Bluebell
And Iverson.
signing out.